It may have looked like a scene from a movie, but this was a real thing. More than 20 suspects cornered in a house in Jeepistown, Johannesburg. They had just robbed a supermarket on the other side of town of an undisclosed amount of cash. A police chase ended at this house, and when police surrounded it, bullets started flying. The gun battle lasted for more than 20 minutes, and then the wait began, with suspects handing themselves over at intervals. The drama demanded the presence of more than 100 police, specialized forces, doctors, and paramedics.
I'm convinced that this gang of robbers that we dealt with today were causing havoc in our province. And I'm proud of these 4 policemen who paid with their lives to ensure the Gauteng province is always or will always be safe.
More than 6 hours after the drama began, 12 body bags came out of the house. Police would not confirm whether the suspects are foreigners or locals. An AK-47 and several guns were recovered at the scene. Forensic investigators will work through the night searching for more evidence. It's not clear yet whether the arrested suspects were involved in other robberies. Crosby Amos, SABC.